All right. Good morning, guys. What's up? I had to fix my hair, apparently, so that's why I'm a couple minutes late. Listen, this hair takes a lot of effort. All right? In case you couldn't tell. Takes hours upon hours to get this little floof. Yeah, XNT on this trend line right now running, coming up, trying to break pre-market high right here. There's quite a few plays today with some potential on them. XNTN's one, CLSK's another, SONM maybe, PHUN maybe. See, SNC kind of cracked out of this, so we'll take that off. NNDM's got that little continuation pattern possibly, so we could see a little quick pop on that. ATHE, kind of meh. And then MYOS, kind of moving up. So kind of a lot going on, so I'm just going to chill out. On XTNT, I think they filed, I forgot what form it was. I'm not sure. I haven't had a chance to really look into it yet. Let me look real quick and see if I can find it. CXTNT. But they have some type of filing. Okay, here it is. See, we have a 13. We have a SC13 and we have a Form 4. From yesterday. Did this get halted already? Yeah, it's got halted right out the gate. So we've been getting a lot of halts right out the gate. Let's see what happened. So a warrant to right to buy or something. I'm trying to figure out. I guess Orbimed bought a bunch of shares of XTNT or something like that. That's pretty much all I can find is somebody bought a bunch of shares. See ATHE coming up a little bit here. They've just presented some data. Well, this kind of looks like PHUN did yesterday, coming off of this dollar bounce, up 20 cents so far. No, not quite as crazy as PHUN, but not looking too bad. See, if this gets hung up right here, then we are still in this downtrend. Yeah, no, be careful with PHUN. Yesterday was a very rare occurrence. You know, very rarely do we see that many halts straight up on a stock. Normally there's some type of pullback, so gotta be careful with PHUN. Got a couple of stocks starting to sell off a little bit. See, CLSK doesn't even have a press release. Let's see, XTNT should be coming out of this halt here any second. PHUN kind of starting to get a little trim line here. Yeah, we do have a doji, a little 5-minute doji. It's just kind of a lot going on right away, so I'm not looking to jump into anything right away today. Surf is starting to move a little bit. Let's see. Surf was on the watch list yesterday. Oh yeah, Surf so far. Pretty nice rip. Almost $1 rip so far. See, SNCA just started building, just broke the high a day. 132. Let's see, where's this gap at back here? 243. Okay. Gonna be some resistance at 150 and 175 on this. This doesn't have a press release either, though. So how many of these actually have a press release? PHUN has a press release. The only thing that's actually got a decent press release really is MYOS. Everything else is just kind of running off of other stuff. MYOS is pretty low float too. Yeah, but I mean, SONM Rugged Rapid Deployment Kit for Portable Communication Systems is kind of meh. And then PHUN, I mean, it's basically, it's all right. Next generation mobile healthcare solution at Parkview Health. I mean, was Parkview Health like one hospital though? Yeah, so yeah, I mean, I guess it's pretty good. I don't. Uh, yeah, look at there, MYOS popping up, trying to break pre-market high here. Actually, did break pre-market high. I think I think MYOS might be where it's at. I don't know yet though. Let's see. Oh God, XTNT looks like the same. This is kind of acting like PHUN getting halted right away. Hmm. The 125 area probably been a decent area. Possibly for an entry. I'm gonna let that move around for a second. CLSK, I don't like that. Bunch of upper shadows. SONM, kind of eh. See, SNCA just popped up. Ran from $1.13 to $1.60, so we got several stocks popping here. I'm taking ND off and DM. Let's get halted. Yeah, it's got halted. MYOS with a big crack there, big sell off. There was just several different things going on this morning. Gonna be tricky. There's no PR on surf today. There was PR yesterday, I think. Broke that 420 area. So because it broke that 420 area, it's got a lot of room to possibly run. BHUM breaking that little trend line. MYOS's chart is a little ugly though. Let me see. Let me look back 3 years and see. MYOS has went on some pretty decent runs before though. A couple of years ago. Oops. Let's see. There we go. Yeah, ATHE just selling off. So I'm going to take it off. I don't think it's going to do anything. CLSK is looking pretty ugly. Well, CLSK is just in this channel. You can see there. You can see if you extend this all out, it's in a channel. Let me see. This is kind of a bad drawing here. It's a channel between $2.75 and $3. So this could get a continuation back up at some point. God, that one's crooked too. Let me get my drawing, my trend line drawing tool. So we kind of got two areas of support down here. We'll see. We'll see. SONM's looking pretty ugly if it keeps selling off, so that might come off the watch list. Oh, Surf just popped and got halted. So we had 3 different stocks get halted already. Volume is just all over the place. How the SPY looking? SPY almost up to 298. Just halt fest, just absolute halt fest everywhere. CSNCA. Out of this halt, trying to push up some more. It's crazy this morning. The car coming up. Got a lot of stocks coming up. Yeah, I don't know, guys. I don't know. Did anybody get it? I'm sure Daniel probably got surf. Has anybody jumped in anything yet? Sorry, guys. Didn't I had my microphone muted? Didn't realize I had my microphone muted. But yeah, has it been like that the whole time? ATHE is just, it's pointing down. There's no reason really to trade it at the moment. Yeah, SONM is just selling off too. Nothing really there. So right now, I feel what I'm leaning towards is maybe PHUN, SRUF, and MYOS. Kind of feel like I'm missed the entry I wanted on MYOS. Maybe. So again, in that bottom of this red candle somewhere would have been really nice in that 115 area. I feel like I missed it though. Yeah, I missed it. Oh, that's great. Oh well. There'll be another opportunity probably. Maybe. See Surf popping up some more. Surf halted again. PHUN selling off. I want to see this have a little bit more of a pullback before it tries to break the high of the day. Like maybe back down to 125 or 126. That would be idea. but it may not have a pullback. Yeah, PHUN cracked that 150 area. Let's see, what was SNCA got going on here? It's kind of starting to curl over though. So CLSK bouncing off of that 260 support, 264. You guys can hear me now, right? I'm assuming you can. And there goes the break of the high right here. Let's see, how strong is 150 going to be? Probably not too strong, but 163 will be strong. Yeah, I felt like I'd missed it back down here. As soon as it broke back above this resistance here in that 125, that's where I was really looking at it at, and I hesitated just a bit. So you can see it's already having some issues right there at 160, so it probably pulled back. Yeah, it's starting to pull back now. Let's see, surf is unhalted. Surf has got the sky to go, really. Oh, shit. Oops. See, we got. Get out of here. Surf coming back down at the moment. See, surf. Let's see, is it bouncing off 5? It is bouncing off of 5. I mean, we've already ran from 360 to 551. It's quite a run. See, we got support at 420. MYOS with a pretty nice pullback. Big upper shadow. Big upper shadow. That's kind of ugly. Surf is trying to hold up $5. $5 could hold up. I kind of like how it's curling over though. Oops. Just messed up everything. Looks like it's going to crack 5 here. Oh, no, buyer's still coming in, trying to hold this up at 5. But, you know, usually this type of curl over like this, it usually leads to a drop. MyOS trying to push through 150 now. And so this is starting to push up some more. Looks like it's trying to get through the high of day here. Oh, and there it goes, another pop through high of day. So moving up some more on this stock. Very nice, and Surf's still holding up too. And Surf's starting to pop up too here. Starting to get a little bounce off of $5. Just feel like I'm missing everything, missing the entries. Boy, we got a quiet chat today, a small chat. Surf up to 561. They got halted again on the way up. Damn. Oh, hesitated too long. Was looking for that $5 to hold up, and it did. But it was making me nervous. Oh well. Anybody get Surf or MYOS? Nice. Nice getting on there at $1.70 on Exit TNT. I had to get in way back here. Yeah. Got him way back here early in pre-market. A little bit of a trend line on the 1 minute here. AQST. What's going on with AQST? I didn't even see AQST. If I could get my fingers to work. Come on. There you go. Yeah, I don't know. Not sure exactly why you'd even trade this. And just kind of nothing going on with it. PHUN trying to get back above 150. XTNT is just ridiculous. Still halted on XTNT. It's a long halt. But yeah, I don't know, guys. I feel like I missed. There was 2 good opportunities so far on Surf and MYOS, and I feel like I missed both of them. So I'm gonna try to not force anything. I feel like I might be getting a little bit of FOMO for missing both of those. Where'd you go? There you go. MYOS pushing up some more here. MYOS is on the 1 minute is making some healthy chart movements. Has a little sell off, then run up, sell off, run up. I just don't know how much more it's got. I mean, 180 is gonna be pretty tough. Hasn't been at 180 in over a year. So that could be all it's got. SNCA just selling off, just gross, just a big drop. SONM is kind of on a downtrend. Should bounce off $1.15. It could come back up. 187 up there. PHUN trying to get back in the fray here. Oh, he got in at 290. I bet he's. Shoo. I don't know how he feels right now if he's in at 290. I mean, he was up some profit if he didn't lock anything out and he's still holding this. Could be a little sketchy. And surf all the way up to 610. Yeah, guys, I'm getting FOMO for missing out on these good opportunities. Two solid opportunities. And hesitation got me both times. I'm gonna take a little intermission here, guys, and try to get my brain back in order because I don't want to do anything stupid. But I'm getting a little FOMO ants in my pants. You know what I mean? When you see two clear good setups and then you just hesitate and you miss them and you're just all just like ah. So yeah, give me a couple minutes, guys. I'll be right back. I'm just gonna take a little breather. All right. So let's see what has happened since I took a little break. MYOS pulling back a little bit. Could possibly be another opportunity there, but I don't know. Like I said, that 180 is going to be really, really tough. This would be the third time hitting it. Surf ripping up some more. SNCA. Whoops. Not me to do that. I have a bit of a trend line. Come on. So I'll change that. Here we go. Bit of a trend line on SNCA. What'd you learn today, Kofi? Surf still running all the way up to $7. How about that? That would have been a great entry at $5. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Swinging into FDA approvals or swinging into earnings. It's a 50-50 gamble by doing that. Yeah, it's hard to swing into anything like that. Like what I've found is the best way to swing is look for uh, something that's on a uptrend on the daily chart, and then buy at a support level, and then swing it for it to go up. That's usually like the best thing to do. I'm trying to look for an example. Well, I mean, like right here, just surf for example is a decent example. You can see there's like $1.40 support down here at this bottom. So when this dropped back down to here in March, testing this support from back here and here, then you could have been like, well, I could possibly swing this, and then you get in there and you're holding it and you get all the way, get a nice little ride up. Don't always work out, but if you're buying at support, you're at a low support like this, you're better off than buying somewhere up in this area for a swing. So that's why I'm being real hesitant today on any of these trades, because I'm trying to get my entries at support, at some type of strong support. That's why $5 on Surf was such a good entry, because you can see it held up 3 candles there at $5. MYOS2, it dropped all the way down to this bottom support, and that bottom support held up. So both of those are idea entries. And at this point, I may not even make a trade today. I don't know yet. Just nothing else is standing out to me. Though, like I'm not seeing any opportunities yet. for anything. If Freddie Mac's ripping, let me see something. No, I was gonna say that's kind of weird. I was gonna see if Freddie Mac is that one, and that was this Freddie Mac and Fannie Mae, both of them going up today. I didn't even know these were stocks. Ooh, nasty, nasty, big gap downs on XTNT. That's sketchy. They get halted on the way back up, and it did. So it sold off down to 2, and now it's starting to come back up again. It looks just like PHUN yesterday, which is going to be hard to kind of time if it getting halted so much. Plus, I mean, I wouldn't want to be in these 30-minute halts. I don't know how long these halts are. Was that one 10 minutes? And the other one was like 20 minutes. I wouldn't want to be in halts that long. That made me too nervous. Let's see, MYOS bouncing off of the 9 and this little resistance, or this little old resistance here. Is that pre-market? Yeah, that's pre-market. So bouncing off a pre-market high support. So that actually, this could be a decent entry. HEPA. LMPX. Okay. And MYOS starting to bounce up some more here. Back up to 160. SONM selling off pretty hard here. So we can take that off the watch list. SNCA looking like it might start cracking this trend line. Try to readjust it just to see. PHUN. PHUN is trying to hold up this support here. This pre-market and post-market support. It's very low support, but I mean it doesn't have a lot of volume. Let's see where this candle on MYOS closes, I think, before. I don't know. I'm not feeling anything, guys. Really not. I'm not feeling anything at this moment. Like, I kind of like MYOS here. Like, maybe. That's why I'm wanting to see where this 5-minute candle closes and where the next one opens up. But I don't know. I don't know. It's a boring stream today, though. Very boring stream so far. Yeah, you're not wrong about surf. It is possible it could keep going. And we do have this trend line kind of on surf. But like I said, I feel like I missed it when I didn't get in at $5. That $5 area was like great, and getting in now, I kind of feel like I'm chasing. It's already made a $2.50 move from $5. Even before $5 though, it ran $1.50, so that's, it's kind of why I'm like, it's pretty high up. Okay, so SNCA definitely not on this trend line. SNCA looks like it might be selling off. CSLK. Still trying to hold this channel, but I don't. It looks like it might crack the channel, so that one could be done. MYOS is just kind of consolidating right now. We're pretty much in a channel on MYOS right now as well. You see a lot of selling pressure on Surf on the 1 minute. A lot of higher upper wicks. Oh, okay, MYOS cracking that channel. So MYOS is probably done. Probably. Don't really have. See, kind of, I guess 660 is a little support. Or it's trying to, Surf is trying to build some support at the 660, 650 area. I don't know, these last candles just been kind of sketchy. A lot of indecision. This get halted again. God, this is a nightmare. XTNT is an absolute nightmare. Like this trend line is crazy too, and then it just went. It's all over the place. Don't like that at all. Let's see. MYOS trying to hold up. Look at that. It is trying to hold up that support. Damn, the SPY pulling back. Whoa, what's going on? The SPY all of a sudden just having a nice sell-off here. It's a quick sell-off. Let's see if there's something that came out. Global asset management firm Mintz Capital CEO says now cautious on markets. That's like the only thing that really came out. Let's see, when did that start dropping? 925. Let's see, 923. I don't know. SNCA is starting to pop back up here a little bit. It's getting hung up at 166. I like to see it come back down one more time to like 155, and then slowly climb up the trend line a little bit longer to try to break 166. If it breaks 166 right now, I wouldn't want to try to get in it. So we got that support there on Surf trying to build. We got this steep trend line. Yeah, MYLS looks like it might start selling off. Did have a little red candle there on SNCA, and it dropped back down to 158. A little sketchy here. It's trying to break through. It looks like it might here. A lot of selling at 170 though. See if it's going to get taken out. And it's starting to a little bit. A little bit. There you go, a little bit more. There it goes, through 170. Pushed through 175 like it was nothing. So Surf is starting to crack this trend line a little bit. And that cracked that support as well. My CLSK is out of this channel, so I'm going to take CLSK off. What did I just do? Whoops, I took Surf off. There we go. So we got downtrend on PHUN. PHUN's got to get back over $1.50. Nice, Daniel B. Nice job. Looks like SNCA might pop up some more here. Still trying to get back through 175, but it looks like it's going to. Oh, maybe not. A little pullback to that old resistance. Yeah, nice job. It's a nice bounce off the trend line there. Alright guys, well, any questions, suggestions, or ideas, get those in. I think I'm fixing to call it a day. We'll give the stream about 15 more minutes. It's been some opportunities to make some money, but it's just too much going on in the first 30 minutes. And then I just had too much hesitation today for me to try to trade something smart. It looks like SNCA might try to go for this high a day at 191. Having a little trouble, looks like, with 180. Because both the tips of these candles came right up to 180. And then both of them came back down so far. But yeah, you know, there's just nothing that wowed me today. So, alright guys, appreciate everybody joining me today. It looks like SNCA might still run a little bit, who knows. But, you know, some days when you're just not feeling it, it's better not to make a trade at all. So, I've just not been feeling it all morning. So, I think I'm going to call it a day. Maybe wait till power hour, maybe come back then and see if there's some potential anywhere. Well, look at SNCA still going. But yeah, guys, have a great rest of your day. Enjoy. The weather should be nice out there for most everybody, I think. And we'll be back here tomorrow for a Friday of trading. We'll see what tomorrow brings. So yeah, you guys, relax. Have a great day. Until next time.